my friends, it is Halloween week, and that means I have another Halloween-themed vocal warm-up in minor for you. It is my 4th annual Halloween video for singers. Now, we can definitely sing in minor mode whenever we want to, but this seems like a really fun time to do it. So let's jump in. Come to an aligned and relaxed position. Skeletons are important. Align your bones and your joints so that you are balanced and free to move gently. Take a low, relaxed breath, and let's glide out like a ghost on Ooh. Next, let's hear your best haunted creaky door impressions. This is going to ensure efficient vocal fold closure. Glide up and down like ee, 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 ee. Now let's move that to a fairly bright ee. This doesn't need to be pretty, but we don't want to take it too far down because we don't want to add extra tension. Here we go. For this next exercise, we're going to rock back and forth between minor and major on the words trick or treat. It sounds like this. Trick or treat or trick or treat. Your turn. Trick or treat or trick or treat. 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 Now we are going to sing Howling at the Moon, and here's the pattern. Howling at the moon and go. Howling at the moon. 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 Now let's sing up and down a minor pentascale on the words jack-o'-lantern, light up the night. It sounds like this. Jack-o'-lantern, light up the night. Jack-o'-lantern, light up the night. Jack-o'-lantern, light up the night. sing on mini, mini, ming, like mini, mini, ming, ming, ming. Here we go. Mini, mini, ming, ming, ming. 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 This next exercise will practice the interval of a half step and diction. We're going to sing There's a Mouse in the Haunted House. It sounds like this. There's a mouse in the haunted house, and go. There's a mouse in the haunted house. 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 Finally, this last exercise makes an exercise out of stirring my brew. We'll sing the following. Stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. You'll need plenty of breath for this one. Here we go. Stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. 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 Thanks for joining me on this Halloween vocal warm-up adventure. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. I will see you next time.